Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the TypedArray.sort method. So as may have known by now that it gonna similar to be the array.sort method. So it gonna sort out by numerically, and after that it gonna stringly, but it's the typed array, so it not gonna work on any strings, it's only work on numbers. So let's begin with that. Uint 8 equals the new uint 8 array, and now pass bunch of numbers 40 comma 10 comma 50 comma 20 comma 30. And now what we're gonna do is log it on a console and uint inside that uint. So if we do that, it's gonna show this, it's the basic laws. But if we do the uint 8.sort, it's gonna sort out that, and simple as that. 10, 20, 30. Beautiful. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.